Flip this tennis shit, but the fact that she don't know the words really says a bit. She know we just friends, don't you love benefits? Rich girls with beamers and country club memberships. Yeah, we're playing golf is the hobby, where the grass is green and the culture is snobby. When she needs a rip, she'll call her friend Robbie. Rich girl with a trust fund, bitches wise speed. Yeah, and she won't wear it unless it's cashmere, and she won't buy it on sale or if it's last year. She hands daddy's credit card to the cashier, and when she goes somewhere she always keep her stash near. She know the deal, we fuck second and we blaze first. She had some work done just so she don't age worse. She'll fuck me 5 times all in a day's work, but won't clean the sheets up, that's the maid's work. Set her trance. She looks in the mirror, thinks of who she's better than. Slides a bird to the bouncer that she know I let her in. She's living in a fantasy, she hope it never ends. Cause she's 19 with a fortune to blow, and she never had to work, that's a fortunate hoe. With a fortune to draw and a fortune to blow, munching tricks out of antique porcelain bowl. Yeah, we light up and smoke it all, we don't waste any. She make it fizz face every time she tastes Henny. It might be true her body's lame, but her face pretty. She like to keep her nose runny and her waist skinny. I'm just a punk kid and she's a rich girl. She's from the other side of town and that's a different world. But what she don't know is how to live a real life. She's a wise-speak girl, we party all night. Sex, money, and drugs. If real life hit her, she would know what it was. She only loves sex, money, and drugs. She only loves sex, money, and drugs.